Welcome to this tutorial where I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how to install and set up your app, Kintone Action Automation for workflows in your account. Navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app and click on it. Then you click on Install, head over to Allow and Install and click on it. Ignore this pop-up. When you are done with the installation, reload this page, then you head over to the custom page of the app, click on it, and this interface is going to pop up with all its necessary features such as the documentation and everything you need to begin your journey is right in here. We have the tutorial that is going to walk you through on how to get the necessary credentials to set up your app. We have the app set up, no worries, let's walk you through that. Copy your redirect URL, click on the start setup, and you will need to input all these credentials. Let's head over to this account of the app which we've created online. Click on the settings icon right over here, then choose user and system administration. Head over to integrations and you click on auth. Click on add auth. Enter a name. Then paste the redirect URL and click on save. Once you're done, click on configure users and toggle on all these. Then click on save. Click on the edit icon to copy your client credentials. Copy the client ID, head over to your account and paste. Copy the client secret and paste. Then let's pick up the domain. Pick up your domain and paste. Then click on complete setup. There you go, your app has been successfully configured. Click on allow and you will see that your app will be connected successfully. We have the support center where you'll be able to create a ticket and book a live call with our support team. We have also an interesting feature which is the change log that is going to help you track all the updates and changes. To receive emails, toggle on the email notification button, insert your email and click on subscribe. You've learned how to install and configure your app. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.